In a moment that forever changed aviation history, March 27, 1977, marked the deadliest disaster at Los Rodeos Airport, now known as Tenerife North Airport. A dreadful confluence of errors and uncontrollable events led to a catastrophic collision between two Boeing 747s operated by KLM and Pan Am. A terrorist alert had diverted flights, causing congestion. Weather conditions limited visibility, and miscommunications between aircraft and air traffic control added to the confusion. The KLM aircraft, in an ill-fated attempt to take off, collided with the Pan Am aircraft still on the runway. The resulting fire claimed the lives of 583 people. Everyone aboard the KLM flight perished, while a fortunate 61 survived from the Pan Am aircraft. The airport shut down for 2 days as emergency services responded. This tragic event serves as a stark reminder of the importance of clear communication in aviation.